Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today I just fancied sitting down and playing with some makeup, and I've missed doing colourful creative looks, so here we are. Today I'm going to be doing a simple, colourful, spring inspired look, which I'm so excited for. A few of you have asked me to do more colourful looks, so I hope this gets views and you watch it. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do want to see more videos like this from me, more tutorials, and I will make sure to do them. Without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. We are back at it again doing a makeup tutorial. It's just one of those days today where I just want to sit down and play with some makeup. I want to get creative. I want to recreate this makeup look. I'll show you now. I'll pop it on the screen so you can see it. I'll pop it here. It's a really nice like cut crease with liner. We're going to go for the green. I'm going to go with the shimmer, but I'm going to make it my own. Obviously I'm gonna, in honour of my nails that I am going to be redoing tomorrow, hopefully, if I got time, because they really need doing, I'm going to go for a pop of lilac. So here we are, we're doing it. I can't wait to do something more creative, and I'm gonna stick to no lashes as well, like on the picture, because I think it looks so fresh and gorgeous. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I look very, very pasty at the moment, so we are going to be glowing our chest up a little bit with the new L'Oreal Glow Lotion Natural Glow Enhancer. This is in the shade Deep Glow, which I thought would be really nice for my chest. So here we are. We're going to be doing it. First impressions, because I've never used this before. I'm going to be very, very careful with this top. Okay, we need a bit more than that because it's not really done much. It's got a nice glow when I put it on my chest, but when I rub it in, maybe this isn't the best brush. It's nice for natural days where I don't want too much, but it has given a nice glow to the skin. I don't know if you can see it. I think I'm going to do my eyes first because I feel like I need to spend the most time on my eyes. So I'm going to go in first with the, obviously as you can tell I've done my eyebrows already, I've soaked them down, but I'm going to use the Beauty Bay base in the shade Base 2. This I used last week, and by the way, I'm filming this the same day as posted it. Again, I need to stop doing that, but I wasn't sure what to post, but now I do. I just wanted to play with a bit of makeup. I'm just gonna blend this out with a fluffy brush. I know a few people have asked me to do more colourful looks, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. I think it was after I had the little colour in the inner corner. I used to do colourful looks all the time on my channel. So just to set that in place, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bay Bright 16 colour palette. It just looks like this. It's got loads of different shades in there, but we're literally just using the white shade. It does dry down pretty quick, and it dries down quite matte, but just to make it more opaque in colour. Hopefully you can't hear that god awful noise that was on my other video. I don't know why it was happening. Maybe it's because I had my door open, but it is what it is. It happened. Hopefully it's not going to happen again. Do I do the liner first or the shadow? I think I'm going to use this pastel palette from Beauty Bay again. I know guys it's discontinued, I apologise. I'll try and find something similar. I'm going to go in with Serenity, which is this really nice pastel green, and I'm just going to do I'm going to look straight on. Oh, that is a really good shade. Proud of that. Now I've got to go and match it on the other side. How the hell I just did that, I don't know. Guys, I've still got it. I'm so excited. That is looking exactly how I want it to look. Obviously you're not going to see it as well at the moment because I've only done that, but now I'm going to go in the inner portion and I'm going to come back to that green colour later on. Okay, so I find lime and lilac go so nicely together. So we're going to go in with the lilac, and we're only going to use a little bit of this because I only want like a hint of it underneath the shimmer. Hint, hint. Now that I've got the initial base down, I'm going to go in with shimmer. Now I've got my bag of shimmers here. So the perfect glitter for this is the Peaches and Cream Fantasy, because it's got specks of lilac shimmer in there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it says on the website, and you can clearly see. Okay, so I'm going to use the same. Do I put glue on? I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer, glitter glue, whatever you want to call it. That, my friends, is exactly what I was hoping. That glitter just sticks it down so perfectly. I've missed doing looks like this because this is just so fun. That was fun. Do I now go over? Just going to go over the lime green a little bit more. I'll have to go over the edges, I think, when I've finished the base. But so far, I'm in love. Now onto the base. So for primer, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bay Jelly Grip Primer. I've been loving this. It's a very hydrating, like sticky primer. Obviously we're going to come back to the eye. Oh, do I do my eye? I'm doing it in a weird order right now. I'm going to just curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to go in with the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. I'm going to put a little bit more on a bit later. Then I'm going to go in with the Made by Mitchell Pore Paste. This I've been loving around my nose area because I get quite large pores. I'm going to just dab this on the skin, just on the area I need it. So really press it and push it into those pores. So then for my sort of glowy base, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Glow Lotion again, but in the shade Medium Glow. I'm hoping this is going to be a nice shade for me. I'm going to take it on my HMB brush. Yeah, that is really nice. It's not glittery, which I love. It's just like a nice glow. Now, foundation, I'm going to go in with the KVD Good Apple, what is this called? Full Coverage Serum Foundation. Got it in the shade Medium 045. I haven't used this foundation in so long, and I thought, why not use it today? Why is it not? And I'm going to use a brush. God's sake, when the bloody door goes, it's so embarrassing looking like this. I forgot how nice this foundation is. I always do it. It's such a nice one. I always like to go over my foundation with a sponge just because it evens it out. It gets rid of anything I don't need. This foundation looks bloody flawless. More matte than I remember. But I actually really like a matte finish. So I thought I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. This is in the shade Honey Glaze, and it's such a nice shade. And I haven't used it, oh god. And I haven't used this in a while. I haven't used it, I don't think, since like the week I filmed the full face Fenty. It's coming together now. It always comes together once you put your bronzer on and your blusher. I'm actually going to go in with my concealer first. I'm going to go in with the Fine Beauty Flawless Finish Concealer in the shade 14, and then I'm going to go in with a brighter one, 05. Just putting this everywhere I would conceal. I'm really fancying noodles. Ramen noodles again. Guys, you'll know. You know, I absolutely love my ramen noodles. They have been on my channel, they've been on my TikTok. So I just added the 0.5 and I'm going to let that one sit down quite a bit. My base is looking flawless. I've been wearing this concealer for a couple of weeks now and I actually really enjoy it. I notice it doesn't go into my lines and that is always a bonus. Now for blush, I am so excited for blush. This is one of the new shades of the Jordana T-shirt blush duos in the shade Dollface. Guys, this is like the perfect baby pink blush. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited. I'm gonna focus this high up and I don't want it too like on my apples. These smell so good as well. Oh, look at that shade. Oh, we will be coming back to her in a sec. Now for powder, of course, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Pound Cake on my powder puff, of course, again. I think I just got that in my lungs. Tapping off the excess and making sure all my creases are out. I think this will forever and always be my favourite powder. I'm going to put that on the rest of my face. Gorgeous. Then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Made by Mitchell Bronze Pods. I think I might have found my new favourite powder bronzer. I've been saying for ages that I've been looking for a new bronzer, powder bronzer, and I think this is the one. This is in the shade Corn Syrup. It's got a slight shimmer in this. Even though we're putting a powder on the face, it's not going to be too heavy. It's not going to be too mattifying, which I definitely appreciate. Can you see that? How gorgeous is that? Then before we go on to blush, I'm going to use the Made by Mitchell Eye Light in the shade Daylight. This is the second but lightest one, I believe. These look stunning, and obviously I'm going to go in with the brightest one, which is Morn. I think it is. I'm going to go in with Morn. I'm just going to focus that in the inner portion of my eye. See how much that's brightened and just lifted my face. That powder is insane. I'm sorry, but then I'm going to go back in with the Jordana T-shirt powder blush side, but because we've got the lilac on the eyes, I wanted to spruce up the cheeks a little bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Made by Mitchell lilac powder, which is called For the Lovers, which is this. So it's going to make it a little bit more like cool toned. I'm obsessed. I'm just putting it out there. I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to spritz my face. I'm going to go in with the All Nighter setting spray. That spray reminds me of a night out. We're nearly done, guys. We're nearly freaking done. I'm just going to throw a eyeliner pencil from Beauty Bay in my eyebrows and put on a bit of mascara. I'm also going to put on a little bit of the All Smudge No Budge liner in the La La Land. If he still does this, I don't know. And I'm going to clean up a little bit of the lime. I'm also going to use a new Made by Mitchell Blush Balm in the shade Sprinkles. So I'm going to use this on my sponge. It's nice, it's like not overpowering. Now on to lips. I am excited for this now. The lip liner, I'm going to go in with the Whirl lip liner by MAC. Okay, so I just went in with my lip products. As I said, I went in with Whirl lip liner from MAC, and then I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick. My mum rang me, so I had to do that whilst I was on the phone. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm hoping you can see it a bit better in the video than what I can see. This is giving like Coachella vibes, and I know like literally everyone and their mum, their dog, literally everyone's there at the moment. Maybe one day. Fingers crossed one day. But please let me know in the comments down below if you did enjoy this type of video and if you want to see more like easy, quick, simple, colourful makeup looks. It's very spring, it's giving me very spring vibes, and I am just obsessed. I love this. Like, it's not too dramatic, but it's dramatic at the same time. I quite like that it doesn't have any lashes either, because I can see the makeup without it being hidden by the lashes, if you know what I mean. Let me know if you agree. Would you apply lashes? Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if, like I said, you want to see more colourful looks from me. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!